Sarah, a vibrant young woman, had her life planned out. She had a loving husband, two beautiful children, and a fulfilling career. Then, the unexpected happened. A persistent cough led to a doctor's visit. The diagnosis, lung cancer. Sarah's world came crashing down. Fear, anxiety, and uncertainty shrouded her future. Her husband, Mark, was devastated. He struggled to stay strong for Sarah while battling his own fears. Their children, too young to understand, sensed the shift in their parents' moods. Cancer, in its ruthless advance, doesn't just attack the body, it lays siege to the mind and spirit. Patients grapple with their own mortality, their hopes and dreams put on hold. For families, the diagnosis is a life-altering event. The financial burden of treatment adds another layer of complexity, forcing families to make difficult choices. Cancer's emotional impact extends beyond the patient and their immediate family. Friends, colleagues, and even casual acquaintances are touched by the news. The diagnosis can evoke feelings of helplessness, fear, and even survivor's guilt. It forces us to confront our own vulnerability, reminding us of life's fragility. Amidst the storm, there are glimmers of hope, resilience, and extraordinary strength. Patients often discover an inner reservoir of courage they never knew they possessed. They find solace in the love and support of their families and friends. Studies have shown that strong social support can significantly improve the quality of life for cancer patients. Survivors often grapple with the long-term effects of the disease and its treatment. In the face of such profound emotional turmoil, it's crucial to acknowledge and address the mental health needs of cancer patients and their families. Open and honest conversations about their fears, anxieties, and emotional well-being are essential. Creating a safe space for them to express their emotions without judgment or shame can be incredibly therapeutic. Mental health professionals play a vital role in providing support and guidance throughout the cancer journey. Therapists, counselors, and support groups offer a safe haven for patients and families to process their emotions and develop coping mechanisms. They provide tools and strategies to manage anxiety, depression, and the emotional roller coaster that often accompanies cancer. Families also need support in navigating the emotional complexities of cancer. Caregiver support groups offer a platform for sharing experiences and finding strength in shared experiences. Despite the challenges, there is always hope. Advances in cancer treatment have led to higher survival rates and improved quality of life for many patients. New therapies are emerging, offering hope for even the most challenging cases. The human spirit's resilience, the unwavering support of loved ones, and the dedication of healthcare professionals all contribute to a message of hope and healing. Cancer, while a formidable foe, does not have to define a person's life. It's important to remember that everyone's experience with cancer is unique. Encouraging healthy coping strategies, such as exercise, mindfulness, and creative expression, can empower patients and families to regain a sense of control and well-being. The emotional impact of cancer is undeniable. However, amidst the storm, there is also hope, resilience, and the extraordinary strength of the human spirit. By acknowledging the emotional toll of cancer, fostering open communication, and providing access to mental health support, we can help patients and families navigate this challenging journey with dignity and courage. Mental health support is not a luxury. It's an essential component of comprehensive cancer care. Integrating mental health professionals into oncology teams can significantly improve patient outcomes. By addressing the emotional and psychological needs of patients and families alongside their physical health, we can enhance their overall well-being. The stigma surrounding mental health often prevents people from seeking help. It's crucial to break down these barriers and create an environment where seeking support is seen as a sign of strength, not weakness. Providing long-term mental health support to survivors is crucial in helping them adjust to life after cancer and maintain their emotional well-being. Cancer's emotional toll is undeniable, but it does not have to be the end of the story. By embracing the power of human connection, fostering open communication, and providing access to mental health support, we can help patients and families navigate the storm with greater resilience and hope. In the words of cancer survivor and advocate Kathy Rich, "Cancer may have taken a lot from me, but it will never take my spirit, my hope, or my will to live. The journey through cancer may be arduous, But it's often in the darkest moments that we discover our greatest strength. It's in the face of adversity that the human spirit shines its brightest, illuminating the path towards healing and hope.